chain 3, you will learn how to crochet a single crochet stitch in your chain, in your foundation chain. Remember the last 2 lessons? Let's go through them fast and make a chain of 11. You make a slip knot, chain 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here we have 11 chains that we have made. Now this is called your foundation chain, your beginning chain. We will learn how to crochet or make a single crochet stitch in this chain. What you need to do is skip the first chain, which is your 11th chain. You will skip the 11th chain and make, watch carefully, there will be 2 loops in every chain, or you will see there is a top knot and a bottom knot. This is the top knot and this is the bottom knot. What you will do is you will just go inside the 10th chain. Can you see the top knot, the 10th chain? Once again, like you made the chains, go down the thread, pull it, hook the thread inside that chain, and then once again go down your thread and pull it through the 2 loops on your hook. This is one single crochet. Let's do it again. You will go into the next chain, the top knot. See, these are the 2 knots. This is the bottom knot and this. Now you will go into the top knot. You will go under your yarn thread. You will pull the yarn through. Then you will once again go under the yarn thread and pull the yarn through the 2 loops. And this is your second single crochet. Let's make another one. Go inside the top knot, pull a loop. You have 2 loops now. Go below the thread once again and pull the thread through both the hoops. This is your 3rd single crochet. Once again, you will go inside the top knot. You see, this is the top knot. You will go below your yarn thread, pull up a loop. You will have 2 loops now. Go below the thread and then pull it through both the loops. This is your 4th single crochet. Once again, go underneath the top knot, pull up a loop, pull a loop through the 2 loops. That's your 5th. Let's continue making till we have 10. You should have 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in a chain of 11, you have made 10 single crochet. Remember the last chain, is always skipped. Yeah, you will skip more if you're making the other kinds of stitches, but if you're making a single crochet, you will skip the last chain and you will start working from the second last chain that is made, which is the 10th chain. So if we go back and let's do this again, you make your slip knot, you pass through, tighten the knot, put your hook on, pull the knot, make your chains 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. This is your 11th chain. You will skip the 11th chain, and in the 10th chain of top knot you will put your hook through, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops. Put your hook through and pass through both loops. This is a single crochet stitch. This is how you make single crochet stitches, and this is how you work in your foundation chain. You go into the top knot, pull up a loop and pass through both. This is a single crochet stitch. Make sure to practice this because this is one of the basic stitches. Until next time, bye.